how to turn on guided access on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and then tap on the accessibility option you see there. Now, in the accessibility page, scroll down to the General tab and you will see the option for guided access. Tap on that and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for guided access, and with this, guided access will be enabled. Guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. Once you enable guided access, you can simply triple click the side button in the app you want to use, and with this, guided access will be enabled. So, this is how you can turn on guided access on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.